You killing my vibe in ways words cannot describe. But I'll try, I'll try. You put him over and over with the action, since I'm done since the day that we met. Cause you're toxic, girl, I ain't even got a You get the drift, man. Madison, Good and Goodbyes. I mean, this song is, I think it's a pretty cool song because of the wordplay and the hook. So it's a great one. Let's learn how to play. While you at it, hit the subscribe button over there. Make sure that you, boom, click that subscribe button. So we have one more subscriber in the family of Wanted Chords. Yay. You know what I'm saying? Big time. So the way to play this song is quite easy. Not quite easy if you're a beginner, right? If you're just getting started. But these are the chords. So I'm going to go through the chords first. You can check the description, you know, for diagrams. And it goes like this. We got a B minor. All right. Make sure you can see that. All right. B minor. So essentially it's a minor, but just over here with the bass B. This is a B minor, all right? Then it goes to a F sharp, all right? This is minor, F sharp minor, but with the fuck you finger, right? The fuck you finger. You know what I'm saying? We got the F sharp. Then it moves one step ahead. You know what I'm saying? Half step away. Let me talk, you know, musically correctly. You know what I'm saying? So this is an F sharp, goes half step ahead, and you got whatever. This is G, right? And then it goes to a D. Now I'm playing it like this because I was laid back before when I was playing it, and I was just doing this. But whatever, you can do the normal one. I usually tend to do this fancy shit because it makes me look with myself, you know what I'm saying, while I'm playing, kind of a thing. So yeah, that's the hook, and this progression goes for the hook and the verse. You can, what was that? Live my vibe. You can, no. All right, let's start with that first. So that's the main chord. That's the main chord progression for the verse and the chorus. Now the part that you need to pay attention about. Before you pay attention on all that, hit the subscribe button. So you want to pay attention because this is like a pre-chorus of one chord progression. It goes, is a different one, right? It's 8 bars, but you got the first 4 bars going, you killing my vibe with words cannot describe. I'll try. You put the, and then so once again, I had to record this shit one more time. So what I was saying was this, that for the pre-chorus you go for, you killing my vibe with the words that cannot describe. All right, so these are the first 4 bars of the pre-chorus. Once again, the pre-chorus is 8 bars in this song. You got the first 4 bars are going, you killing my vibe with ways words cannot describe. And then it goes, but I'll try. And then it goes for the main progression, what I showed you in the beginning. So the only chord, so that chord progression goes to G, and then it goes to A, and then goes to A with a C sharp bass. All right, walking up to the D. You killing my vibe with ways words cannot describe. And then the last one, just to finish up the pre-chorus, but I'll try, back to a B minor, to a F sharp. and then the main progression. You put the oh na 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 na. All right, so these are the chords. This was a very good song. I like the once again the wordplay in the chorus or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button right now. Use the fucking comment section. Say something and consider sharing this fucking video, man. It helps a lot. The Wanted Chords YouTube channel. Just hit that share button and share it. Share the good news. I love you. Thank you.